Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this lecture series. Firstly, let me tell you that this is a free initiative and your selection is my face. Is it clear? Okay, fine. So, we have started this series from today, that is 12th of January, so that we can give more importance to GS portion. Okay? And as well as CSAT will get completed side by side. Is it clear? Okay. And we all know that CSAT is a qualifying paper. We have to score 66 marks and that is 33 percentage. Okay. And about the strategy we have already discussed. What to focus, what to ignore. We have discussed that thing. Okay. And in this video we will discuss about number system. We will start from number system. Okay, and before that let me tell you what we will do here. We will do the conceptual part, that is theory part, and then based on that we will discuss the I will give you some practice questions, that may be practice question or PYQs. We will discuss how the question is framing, we will discuss the pattern. Okay, fine. So let's begin. See, in number system, I have included these 5 topics. Okay, that is types of number, then representation of a number, that is expanded form, then factors and multiples, then divisibility rules, and SCF and LCM. Okay, and in 3 videos, in 3 lectures, we will try to complete all 5 topics. Okay, so what are types of number? Any idea? So first one is natural number. So what are natural numbers? Numbers which can be counted. Okay, that means we can say countable numbers. Okay, so what are the countable numbers? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Anything like some things are given. Okay, so we can count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that one. We never count like 0, 1, 2 or -1 then 0, 1, 2, like this one. Okay, we always count from 1. So these are counting numbers. Clear? Then whole numbers. What are whole numbers? When you include 0 in counting number. Okay, that is 0, then 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that one. These are whole numbers. Okay, then we can say what are even numbers and odd numbers. I think you know this one. Even numbers, that those numbers which unit digit have 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Okay, and those numbers which don't have these numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, these are odd numbers. So we have to keep in mind that what are even numbers and what are odd numbers, and natural numbers, whole numbers. Okay, so next thing is, so next is integers. What are integers? So we can say like dot dot dot, I'm giving there like -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we can so on. So here is till -infinity and here is till +infinity. Okay, so these are called negative integers. Okay, and these are called positive integers. And 0, what is 0? 0 is neither negative nor positive, this is neutral. Okay, fine. Then next is real number. Real number, I think you have heard that real number line. Okay, so numbers which can be represented in real number lines, those numbers are called real number. So any numbers, every numbers is a real number. Okay, so real number can be divided into 2 parts, that is rational number or irrational number. And what is rational number? It can be represented in the terms of, in the form of p by q, where q should not be a 0. Okay, now one thing is there like terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal. This is about decimal. Here we have talked about fraction p by q, but here we have to talk about decimal, terminating decimal or repeating decimal. What is terminating decimal? Like if I say 0.125, so this decimal is get terminated by at 5. Okay, last number is 5, and for repeating we can say 0.111 like this one. Okay, these are rational numbers actually. Non-terminating, which cannot be get terminated, like value of pi. Okay, if I say 1.23561 like this one, which we are not getting any pattern there, then that is not non-terminating. And non-repeating means same thing, like non-terminating. These are called non-repeating also. So what are irrational numbers? We can say pi is irrational number. Then root 3, root 5, root 7, these are irrational numbers. But value of pi is not a irrational number, it is a rational number. That is, what is the value of pi? It is 22/7. This is a rational number, not irrational number. Okay, so next one is, that is a prime number. And this point is very important. Why it is important? Because if you see the pyq, every time prime numbers question is asking. Okay, so what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which can be divided by itself or by 1. Okay, clear? It can be divided by 1 or by itself. For example, 2, 3, 5. Can 6 is a prime number? No, it can be divided by 1, it can be divided by 2, it can be divided by 3, and it can be divided by 6 also. So apart from 1 and 6, it has 2 and 3 as a factor. Okay, so 6 is not a prime number. Then after 5 it will be 7, then 11, then 13. These are prime numbers. Okay, one important thing is there, like 2 is the only prime number which is a even number. Okay, other prime numbers are odd. Clear? And please note everything. Okay, so next one is composite numbers. What are composite numbers? So if I say, apart from prime numbers, I mean except prime numbers, other numbers are composite number. Just see this word composite means mixed. Okay, like if I say 4 is a mix of 2 into 2, like it will be 2 multiplied by 2. If I say 6 is a mix of 2 and 3. If I say 8 is a mix of 2, 2, 2, or we can say 2 or 4, like this one. So these are composite numbers. All numbers except prime numbers are composite numbers. Clear? Then co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers, these are pair of numbers. Okay, pair of numbers which have only one as a factor. Like if I say 2 and 3, the common factor is 1. If I say 3 and 4, common factor is 1. If I say 4 and 5, common factor is again 1. Like these numbers are co-prime numbers. Okay, so please tell me the types of number is completed or not. I mean, you understood this topic or not? Okay, comment, please comment. So we will try to do some practice questions. Like, please tell me uh, 5 rational numbers in between 2 and 3. Okay, can you tell me 5 rational number in between 2 and 3? Try it. Pause this video and try this. Okay, and after that you can see my answers also. Okay, so what we can do is here, like first one we can take average. Okay, like if you see this is a number line, this is 2 and this is 3, so average numbers in between 2 and 3, that is our answer, right? So in terms of fraction or in terms of decimal we can represent rational number. Okay, so I think easy way is you can represent 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. These are your till 2.9. Okay, if I representing like this one, and if they are asking more numbers, then you can again write 2.11, 2.12 like this one till 2.99 like this one. Okay, so you can get infinite numbers of rational number in between two rational numbers. Okay, if anybody asks you that tell me how many rational numbers are between two rational number, so answer will be infinite. Is it clear? Okay, try next question. So I have mentioned a question which is irrational number out of these four numbers. Okay, so I have told you what are irrational numbers. Irrational numbers which are non-terminating, non-repeating. Okay, and rational numbers are which are terminating and repeating. Okay, or repeating. So if you see these prime numbers, like if you see first one, okay, this dot means it goes like this one. Okay, if you see the first one, no numbers are, no digits is getting repeated here. Okay, and it is not terminating also, non terminating it is. Okay, then first one, if you see that 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, this is getting repeated, that means this is repeating. So repeating means it is a rational number. Again you see in third number, this is 1 2 3 4, this is 1 2 3 4, this is 1 2 3 4, it is again repeating. If you see in the fourth number, it is 1 2 3 4 7 8 7 8 7 8 like this one. So 7 8 is getting repeated, so it is again a rational number. So here you can see that all three decimals are repeating. Okay, and just one decimal is not repeating, not terminating. That means this is a irrational number. Is it clear? Okay, so this topic is called representation of a number. So any number, if any number is given, how can you represent that one? Okay, if I say if 23 is represented, I mean written, so you can write it like 20 plus 3. Okay, this is also called expanded form. Expanded form. Okay, so in mathematics also, if you write AB, okay, in mathematics it is called, I mean, multiplication of a and b. But if you say we are representing a number, like in place of 2 I have written a, in place of 3 I have written b, so it should be like 10a plus b. Okay, a is in tens place, b is ones place, that's why 10a plus b. In same case, if I say ABC, then it can be written as 100A plus 10B plus C. Understand this one? Okay, because in, I think in PYQ you can see this type of question always comes, right? There is a question like this one, like if AB is given, okay, AB is a number, so when we interchange the digits place, that is when we represent like BA, so it will be 10A plus B, and this will be 10B plus A. Okay, for example, if I write 52 and if we exchange the position, it will be 25. Okay, so it will be written as 10a plus b and 10b plus a, right? Then you know what is face value and place value? In expanded form we have to learn this one, face value and place value. If I say there is a number like 1 2 3 4 5, this is a number like 12,345, so what is the face value of 2? If I say what is the face value of 2, so face value means, right, face value means actual value of that number, of that digit. If I say what is the actual value of this number, this digit, it is 2. So face value will be 2. But what is the place value, where it is situated, where we have placed this one? So this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundred place, this is thousands place. So place value will be 2000 because it is in thousand place. Okay, so understand this one. For face value we will say that that value will remain the same as that digit only, and for place value it will be varies based on the position of that digit. Okay, if I say if I have written 2 3 4, so what is the place value of 2? Based on this position it will be 200. If I say 1 2 2, okay, so place value of this one will be 2 and place value of this one will be 20. Okay, like that we have to remember, we have to understand this one, right? Okay. Okay, if you are understanding all these things, that means you are going great. Okay, so next thing is we have to understand the arithmetic of few numbers like even numbers and odd numbers. Okay, it's very easy topic, but you have to understand that one also. Like if I say there is a even number, okay, there is a even number. So if you add two even numbers, what is the value? It will be even number, right? Fine. If I say if you subtract even number with even number, it's again a even number. Okay, this is clear. But when we add even number and odd number, it will be odd number, not a even number. Okay, when we subtract a even number with a odd number, it will be a odd number. Clear? And when we add two odd numbers, it will be even number. Clear? I'm giving you some examples. Like if I say when I subtract, if I added two even numbers like 2 plus 4, it will be 6, and 6 is a even number. Okay, then if I subtract two even numbers like if I say 6 minus 2, it will be 4. 4 is an even number, right? Okay, fine. Then again here even number plus odd number, that is 6 plus 1, it will be 7. 7 is a odd number. Then 6 minus 1, that is 5. 5 is a odd number. Then 3 plus 5, it is 8. 8 is a even number. Clear? We have to understand the multiplication and division also. So let's begin that one also. So if I divide even by even, what is the value? Odd or even? Actually it can be odd or even both. Okay, for example, if I divide 6 with 2, it will be 3. This is a odd. If I divide 8 with 2, it is a 4. So it is an even number. So we can get both even or as well as odd both. Okay, but when we multiply even and even, okay, I think we have to first complete multiplication or we have to complete first division. So we should complete the division first. So when we are dividing even and even, it will be both one. Okay, when we divide even and odd, like if I say even and odd, if I write this one, then it can be, try it. So when we are dividing even by odd, it can be, let me try. If I divide 20 by 5, it is 4. Anything else? If I divide 40 by 5, so it will be 8. 40 by 5, it will be 8. Okay, when I divide 30 by 5, it will be 6. So I think we are getting only even number. Okay, see, if I am doing any mistake, you can comment it on also, no problem. I can do mistake, but you should comment that one. Okay, then what will be the number if I divide odd by odd? For example, if I divide 15 by 3, it will be 5. Okay, that means we will get an odd number. Okay, so now let's move to multiplication, that one. If I multiply even with even, we will get even number. Okay, if I multiply even with an odd, it will be an odd number. Like if I multiply 2 with 3, okay, sorry, we will get even number. Okay, even number, not odd. Yeah, it will be 6, even number. Then when we multiply odd with odd, it will be odd number. Okay, so in two cases we will get even number, in one case we will get odd number. Like when we multiply even with even, we will get even number. When we multiply even with odd, we will get even number. And when we multiply odd with an odd, that will be 3 multiplied by 5, it will be 15. So it is an odd number. Okay, is it clear? Okay, fine. I think I have missed one thing. Like I have divided, that means I have divided even by odd. Okay, that I have given like 20 divided by 5. So can we divide odd by an even number? Try it. Can we divide an odd number by an even number? Comment the answer. Is it possible or not? Okay, so moving forward, what we have discussed till now, we have discussed types of number. Okay, we have discussed even and odd number. We have discussed representation. Okay, then we have discussed the arithmetic of even number and odd number, right? So I think we are ready to do some numericals. Okay, some pyqs. Let's try it. Okay, and after that we will try to finish one more topic, then we will finish this lecture. Okay, so let's try pyq. So there was a question in 2019. It's very easy, just try it. The question is the number of times that digit 5 will appear while writing the integers 1 to 1000. When we are writing 1 to 1000, like 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, then 6 7 8 9 10, then again 15, then we will say 25. So how many fives are coming there? Okay, we have to find that one, how many fives are appearing there. Okay, it seems like very hectic process, but if you see the question, it will be very easy. If you attempt this question, it will be very easy. Okay, so just try it. Pause this video and try this one, and look at the solution what I have provided. Maybe you have solved in another method, that's also fine. But if there is any mistake in your process or my process, you can comment that also. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so my solution is, when we see from 1 to 10, it will be 1 times. Okay, that means only 5. When we see from 11 to 20, it will be how many times? Only 15, that is 1 times. Then when we see 21 to 30, it will be again 1 times. Okay, 31 to 40, it will be 1. 41 to 50, how many times? So 45 and 50 here. Okay, 45, there is 1 5, and 50, there is 1 5, it will be 2 times. Then now 51 to 50, sorry, 60, how many times? So 51 to 60, if you see 51 to 60, 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59, and then 60. So you can see there is a 5 in every tens place. So you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and there is one more that is in ones place, that is 10. So it will be 10 times. Clear? Then again, if you see 61 to 70, it will be 1 times. then 71 to 80 it will be 1, 81 to 90 it will be 1, then okay 91 to 100 it will again 1. Fine, is it clear till now? Okay, so now no need to count further, you have to count this only. It will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 10, that is 20 times. Okay, so again if you count from 100 to 200 it will comes like 20. Similarly till 1000 it will be 20 multiplied by 10 times, so it will be 200. So 200 is not our answer. So one more thing we have to consider, that is 100 place. If you count from 500 to 600, okay, in every number there will be 5 in 100 place. So how many numbers are there in between 500 to 600? Okay, don't say 101, 600 is not included because there is no 5 in 600. So if you count from 500 to 600, so in only 100 place, not ones or tens place, we have already counted the ones and tens place here there in this 200. Okay, so in only 100 place it will be 100 times, so total number will be 200 plus 100, that is 300 times. So if you count like this one, like in systematic order, so you will get the answer easily. Okay, otherwise if you count like I mean like 100 after 100, if you count 101 to 100 200 then 200 to 300, it will be very hectic process. So try to apply some logic there. Okay, so our answer is 300. Check your answer if it is right or not wrong, and if there is any mistake you can correct that one. Okay, so next question is, this question is from UPSC 2020. Okay, so I have written the main points only. So it is given that PQRS is a natural number. You remember what is natural number? Counting numbers are natural numbers. Okay, and there is a relation given that P minus 2016 is equal to Q plus 2017 is equal to R minus 2018 and S plus 2019. These all things are equal. Okay, one expression is given and we have to find which one is largest among PQRS. So initially if you see this type of question, so you will see that it's very difficult, but trust me, it's very easy. Once you understand the process, once you understand the pattern, it will be easy. Okay, so they didn't ask what is natural number, they used the term natural number. Okay, got it? So understand the pattern. So here we will consider that these all numbers is equal to some random numbers that we are considering k. Okay, so can we write P is equal to k plus 2016? Is it easy? No problem. Okay, so can we write Q is equal to k minus 2017? Okay, we are taking 2017 to right side, so it will be minus. I think you understand that basic thing. Okay, if you are not understanding, I will tell you what we are doing here. So for R it will be k plus 2018 and for S it will be k minus 2019. Okay, so now k is any number, you can say any number. So we are adding 2016, we are subtracting 2017, we are adding 2018, we are subtracting 2019. So tell me which natural number will be largest. You can easily see that R is the largest because we are adding 2018 there, right? Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, so I was saying that if you are not getting the initial method, like how we are doing addition or subtraction, let me tell you the process. Like this is equal to, okay, so if there is a plus, so it will go to this side, it will be minus, and if there is a minus, it will go to this side, it will be plus. Just reverse. Okay, plus to minus and minus to plus. Easy. Okay, again if there is a multiplication, it will go to this side, it will be in division, and if there is a division, it will go to this side, it will be multiplication. Okay, this is a basic thing you should learn this one. Okay, so here if you see this is a minus, so we have to do addition there. If you change the position, we have changed the sign. Okay, in this case we have changed the sign to plus to minus, here minus to plus, and there plus to minus. Clear? Okay, so tell me how many of you have done it correctly. It's okay if you are following another method, that's no problem, but you should be in, I mean, conceptually clear. Okay, so we will do at least 5 questions so that you will understand that what we have learned there, we can apply those things in numericals. Okay, that's why we are solving some PYQs or some numericals. Okay, and in any moment if you have any doubt, you can comment that on, you can comment that also. Okay, and maybe I will try to solve that thing in comment section also, and or maybe I will try to solve that one in next video. Okay, so comment that one. So moving to next question. Okay, so next question is statement based question. I have not given the options there, you have to understand the question only. Okay, this is from UPSC 2019. Okay, so question was, I mean, its first statement is given that P and Q both are prime numbers. Okay, whatever it is, like you can say one even number is there, one prime number, that is 2. So it can be anything. So P and Q are prime numbers, and statement 2 is given that P plus Q, that both sum is an odd number. Okay, and the question was, is PQ an odd integer? Okay, so understand one thing, if there is anything given like is PQ an odd integer, our answer should be yes or no. There should be no confusion. Like if the statement is saying that, if from the statement if you are getting that yes or maybe no, both, if you are getting both things, then that question can't be answered. Okay, so you have to find you are getting yes or no, direct answer. Okay, no confusion there. So in first number, we are not sure about P and Q, that it is even number, even prime number, or odd prime number. Okay, so from second statement, can we consider like what is P plus Q? It is an odd number. Okay, odd integer, you can say. So I have told you that arithmetic of two numbers like even number and odd number. So what can be P and Q? If I add two odd numbers, so what will be the value? It will be even number or odd number? Tell me. Just now I have told you that sum of two odd number is always an even number, right? It should not be an odd number. Okay, clear? So here P and Q both should not be odd. Okay, if I say even and even, it is impossible that even and even, because P and Q both are not equal. That means we should not take 2 and 2, both things are 2 and 2, so it is not possible. So what is our possibility? It is even and odd. When we add even and odd, it will be odd number. Okay, clear? Right, so it is clear that one number is 2 and another number can be anything, any odd number. Now coming towards the question, is PQ an odd number or odd integer? Okay, so multiplication of even and even, what is the value? Even and even is even. Multiplication of even and odd is always odd. Okay, and multiplication of odd and odd is, that is also odd. Okay, so this is not possible in this case, we are getting this one. So from this one we can say that our question, whatever it is asking, that is P, the product of P and Q is an odd number, odd integer, that is also true. So from statement 2 itself we can say that PQ product is an odd integer. There is no need to say that it is a prime number or not. Okay, there is no compulsion of prime number there. Are you getting my point? Okay, we can apply only even and odd logic that concept of even number and odd number. There is no nothing about prime number in this question. Clear? Is there any doubt? Okay, so moving forward to next question. This question is from 2019 only. So see, question was given that a printer number, the pages of a book is starting with 1 and uses 3089 digits. Okay, it is 3089 digits in all. Total digits used is 3089 and starting from 1. So how many pages does the book have? So total number of pages we have to find. Okay, see, if you start like in a systematic order, as I always say, so it can be solved easily, otherwise it will be difficult to solve. Okay, so try from, start from initial thing. So from 1 to 9, if I say from 1 to 9, how many digits are used here? We can use only 9 digits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, only 9 digits are there. Okay, so we have to count only digits. There is no compulsion of which digit we are using. Okay, now from 10 to 99, how many digits are there? So it is, 2 digits are there and total 2 digit numbers are 90. So it will be 2 multiplied by 90. See, these are very basic things like how many 1 digit numbers are there, how many 2 digit numbers are there, how many 3 digit numbers are there, and which one is largest 1 digit number, which one is largest 2 digit number. This is very basic thing. You should understand this one. Okay, fine. So it will be 180. Okay, from 100 to say 999, it will be how many numbers? So I am multiplying with 3 to, what will be the value? It will be from 900. Okay, so it will be 2700. Fine. So it is very near to the 3000, so we should add all three. So it will be 2700 plus 180 plus 9. It will comes like 2889. Okay, so how many numbers are there? How many digits we need more? So we subtract 3089 with 2889, so we need 200 digits more. Okay, so now from after 999 we will get 4 digit number. Okay, after 999 we will get 1000. This is a 4 digit number and we need only 100 digits, sorry, 200 digits. Okay, so we can say that if I divide 200 by 4, so it will be 50. So how many 4 digit numbers will be there? Only 50 digits will be there. 50 numbers will be there. Okay, so if you count what will be the value of final page, it will be 1050. Clear? Any doubt? Okay, so what I have done there, I have just proceed from the initial thing, that is I have followed, I have written the numbers 1 to 9, that is only 9 digits are there. Then 10 to 99, that means 2 digits number, 1 digits number are there, then 2 digits numbers, then 3 digits numbers. Okay, when I see the 3 digit numbers are 22,700, this is near to our given question, so I have just added all three. Okay, and I found that how many digits we need, how many more digits we need. I just found out that it is only 200. So based on that one, I just found out that only 50 pages we need more. Okay, to get 3089 digits. Is it clear? See, in every question what you have to do is, while I am giving the question, you should pause the video and try yourself. Give at least 4 to 5 minutes. Like this is your initial time, so you should give 4 to 5 minutes. Then you should resume that video and see how I am solving. Okay, and what method I mean, what method I am following. Okay, what approach I am taking, you should see that one. If you are doing wrong, then you can see my method. If you are doing correctly, then that's very good thing. Okay, and fine, good. See, this is from 2019 question. If you see the back question, I mean previous year question, 2017 question also, or 2018 question, you will get the same pattern question. Like I am giving you one more question in the same pattern. See, this is from 2017 question. Okay, so this is just reverse of that question which I have just now solved. Okay, it is given that what is the total number of digits printed. In that question, total number of digits was given, and we have to find the total number of pages. And in this question, it is given the total number of pages, that is 150, starting from 1 to 150, and we have to find the total number of digits. Getting the pattern? Okay, so this type of pattern they are asking. You should practice this type of question and understand how to approach this type of question. Okay, it's very easy if you understand this pattern. Okay, so try to solve this question. Pause this video and try to solve this question. It's very easy. Okay, take 2-3 minutes, 4 minutes, that's okay, that's fine. Okay, so I am solving this question. Like I have to find that total number of digits there. Okay, so from 1 to 9, how many digits are there? 9 digits are there. Okay, from 10 to 99, I mean this is one digit numbers, this is two digit numbers, so total numbers will be 2 multiplied by how much? It will be 90, so it will be 180. Okay, and we have to count till 150, right? And from 100 to 150, it will be how many numbers are there? Don't say 50 numbers, there will be 51 numbers, because we are counting hundreds also. Okay, so it will be 51 numbers, and digits are 3 digits, so it will be multiplied by 3, so it will be 153. So now we have to add all three, like 9 plus 180 plus 153. Easy, it will be 342. So tell me, how is the question? Easy or difficult? Easy, no? Okay, so I am suggesting you that you should practice little more. Okay, like I think Anand Mahindra sir said recently that you should focus in quality, on quality, not quantity. You should devote quality time, not quantity time. Your quality matters. Okay, you are understanding the pattern, you are understanding the concept or not, that is important, rather than just practicing more lots of question. That's not the thing. You should practice question, that's fine, but you should understand the concept. If you understand the concept, then you can solve many questions without, without any doubt you can solve. Okay, so I think this much question is okay for you. Now we should move to next topic. Just one topic I am solving. After that we will solve, we will give few questions, and then we will meet in the next session. So next topic will be that factor and multiples. Okay, let's see that one. I think video is getting longer. I was thinking that I should make 50 minutes of video only, but it's getting longer. That's why that factor and multiple topic we will discuss in next video. And for this video, I'm giving you two questions for your homework. That is, in first question, it is given that ABC multiplied by DEED. Okay, ABC multiplied by DED, and it will be ABC, and all numbers, all digits ABC are different digits. Keep this in mind, these are different digits, and we have to find the value of DED. Okay, whatever the value is, we have to find out this one. Actually, this is from question 2015. Okay, but question was different. There they have asked the value of D and E, but I have just changed the question. I have just written that value of DEED we have to find. So follow that concept, what I have told you, that representation of a digit, that method you have to follow. Okay, and then the next question is, how many numbers are there between 100 and 300 which either begin with or end with 2? Okay, so try this both question and comment the answer. Okay, tell me the what can be the answer there. Okay, and see, we are just trying. Okay, we are just trying to give you the better content there. Right now just follow these things, this video, just follow this video. Okay, later on if you need more further books or PDF anything, I will try to give that one. Okay, one more thing, if you want to purchase some book, so try to find some book in market which have a theory part, that is conceptual part, that should be there, plus there should be question for practice, and plus PYQ. If all three things are given in that book, then purchase that book. Otherwise just follow my videos. I think I will try to give everything whatever is required. Okay, and that's why we have started from January itself, so that we can complete that CSAT portion easily. Okay, without any headache, without any burden, we will complete that one. Right, so answer this question first, and second question answer this one, and comment the answer, and share with this video with your friends, so that they can benefit it. Okay, our purpose is to serve them, I mean to help them. Those aspirants we are getting difficult to score more in CSAT, they should be benefited with this video. So share this video as much as possible. Okay, so till then, bye, all the best, Jai Hind.